Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you make Google Chrome your default browser, or basically how can you change the default apps in your Windows 10 PCs. Okay, so what you need to do is just go into the search bar and type in default. So the first option that should come to you should say default apps in a system settings. Let's just click on it. Now this would open up the settings page along with the default apps that are used for each service. Like for email, I'm currently using Google Chrome. For maps, I'm using Maps. For music player, I'm using Media Player. For photo viewer, I'm using Photos, and so on. So in the web browser, you can see Google Chrome is my default web browser for now. If I want to change it, I can simply just click on it and just see what all browser options I have available with me and what is recommended by Windows 10. In my case, you can see Microsoft Edge is recommended for Windows 10, but I'm more comfortable with Google Chrome, so I have just selected Google Chrome over here. For the case of video player, you can see I have a media player. If I just click on that, then I have a bunch of options. I can see that VLC actually seems like a better option for me, so I can just select VLC media player in this case, and you can see that the default app would be changed in a few seconds. So let us just see. Here the VLC media player has been changed. Similarly, you can just change any of the apps and your default apps would be changed to that particular app in your Windows PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.